Hindi ka niyaya yung kasal?
Niyaya niya ako, pero at that time talaga, di ba sabi ko, ayoko na.
Sandali, pure American siya?
Yes. Pure Italian-American.
Ang setup niyo, buti nasa yung baget.
Ano naman talaga?
Siyempre ako nanganak
Oo,
din.
sabag.
Ano siya yung
Pag 7 na, tatanungin na yung bata.
Kung
Parang
gusto.
ganon.
Well,
Ready ka ba sa
whatever he
ganon?
wants.
Kinakabahan ka?
Hindi ako nakabahan. Despite na sobrang busy ko, very hands-on ako.
Hindi, sabihin kung kunin niya.
Kaya minsan yung eyebags ko. Joke.
Denise, kung kunin niya yung bagets.
Kung kaya niya.
Anong name nung guy?
Secret. He's very
What was
private
the name of
person.
the
Your
baby?
friends, di ba?
My son's name is Alejandro.
Mag-aartista rin, if ever gusto mo.
When he's done with high school,
Oh.
Tagal pa,
he's a guy. Maybe like on summer breaks.
Oo,
Pwede.
pwede.
Baby pa naman.
Oo.
2 years old pa.
Close si Solomon at si Alejandro.
Parang sila nga yung...
Magsabi.
Taray talaga.
Ang taray, sobra. Parang pag nasa trabaho ako, sinusundo niya, tapos gumago sila kung saan.
Hindi kayo nagli-live-in.
No, I'm not
Si
allowed.
Solomon walang anak.
No.
At
Single
binata
talaga
din
siya.
Yeah.
Ay,
How he proposed to you?
di ba
On my birthday. Surprise talaga. So,
Thank you, Denise.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have plans na for wedding?
No, because it's so far away pa eh. We're just enjoying, kasi it just happened. So we're just enjoying everything that, just happened. And we're saving for our future. Kasi nga, it's a big step. So we want to make sure that we're prepared financially and emotionally and everything. Kung kami talaga.
Pero paano mo nakita na siya na talaga yung tao na yun na makakasama mo habang
I never
buhay?
wanted to get married before. Kasi very independent ako na tao. Kung ano lahat ng meron ako, pinaghirapan ko talaga yun. From every little thing that I own, very independent ako, and my parents taught me to be strong, and I don't know, I just never thought of marriage before, but the two of us, we've been friends for a very long time. Tapos, basta parang meant to be lang lahat, and I really, really do love him.
Saan mo siya nakilala?
Barkada kami, and wala, as in, sobrang barkada lang talaga. So it was a surprise to everyone and to us as well matagal na pala niya daw akong gusto.
May ganun.
Ako daw yung dream girl niya dati, pero hindi ko alam yun.
So, friends kayo before? Gano'ng katagal? Before he courted
Like 5
you?
years.
Okay.
5 years kami magkakaibigan. So, nakakatuwa. At least may story.
Pero after wedding, you have plans to continue your career? Naintindihan niya ba yun? Or parang
He's very
maglalaylo ka muna?
supportive of what I do, and I'm very supportive of what he does also. We're very busy people, grabe yung lifestyle namin. So, that requires a lot of support from one another. So, I'm so thankful na siya, naiintindihan niya yung mundo ko. Parang kung ano ako, tinanggap niya ako. 'Di ba? Kung gaano ako workaholic, kung gaano ako pa hardworking at binibigay ko talaga todo, lahat.
May dream wedding ka ba, Denise, kung sakali?
Dati kasi hindi ako yung tipong batang babae na boyish kasi ako nung bata ko, into sports, martial arts, the arts. So parang I wasn't the girl that would think, how when I get married? Hindi ako ganun. So parang for me, siya yung may mga dreams para sa akin for my wedding. Siya yung gusto niya, I have the best wedding daw ever. Sabi ko, sige, when we get there, let's plan.
Pero at tawag dito, napag-usapan niyo na ba kung beach ba yan, kung garden ba yan?
Wala pa talaga kasi 2016 pa eh. So parang it's so far away.
Pero here in the Philippines or outside?
Not sure yet talaga. Kasi he has family also abroad. I have family here. So maybe we'll find a nice common ground.
Okay, thank you.